How to level up fast on Poppo Live. So if you want to level up fast on Poppo Live, then first you need to open up your Poppo Live application. Once you open up your application, make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, now you need to go with the profile option, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on the profile, now to level up fast on your Poppo Live, here you will have the levels option. Simply tap on level. And under level, you will have two options. One is wealth level and another one is live stream level. So if you want to level up on wealth level, then you just need to simply have coin. So you need to have 3,000 coins to upgrade to level 2, or you need to have 6,000 coins to upgrade to level 3. And in this way, if you have coins, then you will be able to level up fast on Poppo Live. You can go with the live stream level, and it's the same thing. Here you need to have points to upgrade to your levels. So on total, you will have 35 levels on your live stream level, and under wealth level, you will have a total of 200 levels. So in order to level up fast on your Poppo Live, you just need to simply earn some coins, and once you've earned some coins or points, then you will be able to level up fast. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.